Dr. Deukmedjian at the Deuk Spine Institute, here with a patient who traveled here for cervical Deuk Laser Disc Repair. He had 4 discs in his neck that were herniated and causing horrible problems. He couldn't even lift his arm. On the left side, he had deltoid weakness, biceps weakness. He underwent the Deuk Laser Disc Repair. We went in and basically removed just the herniations in the back of the disc. We cleaned the tear where they came out of so that his body will naturally heal his own discs. Had he gone anywhere else in the world, they would have done a fusion. He would have basically be permanently fused without movement in his neck. He just had his procedure done. And how do you feel today, sir?
I feel great, Doc. I expected it to be a heck of a lot worse, put it that way. If I can talk a little, it'd be great.
Please.
So any of you that are thinking about this, I've been through hell the last 3 months. I started losing, I've worked out my whole life, kickboxed my whole life. Started losing my left bicep, as you can see. It's flexing already after 1 day, which probably means we got at least some of it back, hopefully most of it. If you guys watch my video, which is on YouTube, it's an amazing event. The doc literally had to pull bone spurs out of my spinal cord. I had spurs hanging all over my nerve that was affecting my left arm, which was going to go to my right arm and possibly my legs. Guys, at the end of the day, I run a large law firm in Denver, and I have a saying, and this gentleman's staff are the greatest table setters in the world. What people don't understand is that guys like us, and you guys who I do law, I know you guys will probably see this video out there in Denver. Man, it's all about the staff, right? All we do, guys like us, we just bring the bill. We take care of everything, but boy, I'll tell you, this guy picked his staff out. Anesthesiologist gentleman is one hell of a table setter. I told him he was the greatest table setter that I'd ever met. I liken him to my #1 paralegal who helps me run my office. At the end of the day, this guy probably saved my life because I would have been paralyzed within a year. That was by all accounts, by all the orthopedic surgeons who I went to. They wanted to replace multiple discs and fuse me. Folks, that probably would have led to the same problem at the end. I would have had no shock absorbing in my disc, probably not able to move my arm again. I got back the things that I believe 24 hours later, we're not even 24 hours out, guys. We're 18 hours out. I picked the right guy. Insurance wouldn't cover it. I wrote him a check. I didn't even think about it. And to this moment, that is the greatest investment I ever made. And by the way, that's a better investment than when I bet on the New York Giants over the New England Patriots 2 times. And I know the doc had a problem with this right here.
No, I don't have a problem with that.
The Mets suck, okay? I'll leave that at that. Anyways, I love these people. They are table setters. They're incredible. From the first person that helped me right down to the 2 guys that were working to figure out what nerves weren't popping when they were doing the testing. And this guy, I'll tell you what, anyone that's going to go hire an orthopedic to go fix discs that, by the way, aren't bones, you're probably hiring the wrong guy. You need to hire a neurosurgeon. That's exactly what I did. And when I started looking for it, when I was thinking discs aren't bones, I found the best in the world, period. I know what that means to have a great staff and to be #1 in your field. It is an amazing event. You know, I couldn't turn my head. Like Doc just told me I could a little bit for you here. I couldn't turn my neck. So I couldn't flex. This was literally, we're 18 hours post-surgery. So I'm going to make friends with this guy. We're going to talk in the future. I want to help him grow his business. This is a hell of an opportunity. I'll be honest with you. There is no reason that orthopedics are removing non-bone material from people and acting like it's going to work. This guy is a superhero, period. And his staff helps him put the cape on.
Well, what can I say? I mean, that says it all. Thank you so much. And I look forward to working with you, but go enjoy life a little bit before we do that, all
You're
right?
the best, Doc, and your staff, bar none.
Thank you
Second
so
to
much.
none.
Thank you so
Yep.
much. All right. Let's get you out of here,
Peace
my
out,
friend.
guys.